Welcome everyone. I'm going to show you my edit first. Now I must say I haven't edited the music yet, but actually I really explored the edit page. And as I was walking through the edit page, I felt that there's so many things that if you know that your life can become so much easier in the edit page. Now we have covered a lot in the cut page, which is actually great for lining up the footage. But I believe that when it comes to the edit page, there's so many opportunities and so many different ways you can actually fine tune your edit and reach it to the final stage. So before I talk any further, let's watch what I've done so far. And then I can go back and I can start from the very scratch as to how you can build this particular timeline. All right. Let's go to the very beginning. So we will be adding music here, and of course when we add music we can actually cut this whole part shorter.
Right here on the mic can't be picked up, so as long as I try and keep it. You know what?
Alright, here we go, guys.
I'd rather be chilling with you right now. I just got some other stuff I gotta do. Besides you, yeah. Hey, baby, I gotta call you back, all right? Hey, where you going?
I have better things to do than listen to your booty calls.
Hey Mala,
Oh, hey, Prasanth.
I was wondering if you're free afterwards. Do you maybe want to talk organic chemistry?
I was actually thinking of switching out of the pre-med track, so,
Really? Well, with how good your midterm grades were, you should really consider it. Maybe do you want to talk over coffee?
Hey, no booty calls during tutoring.
I'll catch up with you later.
Okay, well, I'm here. On time. Where we starting at?
Your English grade is the most dire.
What I gotta do to get it up?
Stop talking like that, for one.
What?
Use full words.
Listen, I don't know who you think you are, but you ain't about to just tell me how to speak.
Research shows if you practice writing and speaking in standard English, your formal writing and speaking will also improve, no matter your community's natural dialect. Talk with your buddies however you like, but with me, let's stick to standard English. But first things first. Got something for me?
You be in the family row, sitting next to my nana.
Not your parents?
My nana raised me.
Well, I'll be happy to sit with her. If we get to watch you play, that is. Let's get to it. So, English.
All right. So just to give you a sense of, if I re-edit this video, but by the way, I may do things a little differently, but I was feeling a certain mood and I followed the script, and I felt that wherever I feel the need to add some inserts. Now, let me show you the timeline. You can have two different monitors here. Right now, when you play,
Right.
the timeline is playing, right? But if you turn off the inspector, you get two views, which means if you double click any of the source, it plays up here, and whatever you play here, it plays up on a timeline. All right. Anyway, just to get more focus, let's keep one view and we'll watch. Now you can see here, I did a lot of edit here, but it's straightforward cut to cut edit. But it gets spicier as we move along here. All right. At any point, if it is not showing you the fit, just click on here and go to fit. All right. If you do not see where I went, and this is where I went. Okay. Whenever you don't get the full view, click here and click on fit. Okay. All right. So look at the scene. He looks up and she comes. All right. Now I did not change his edit. Okay. You can hear him. Just watch what he says.
Got some other stuff I gotta do.
Got some other stuff. So basically in my edit, you really start hearing him clearly at this particular shot, because we are at the mid shot. It's futile to make him here at this particular point, because he's far. Logically you should not be able to hear him because he's very far, but the moment he comes closer, that's when a dialogue has to be clear. All right. So he starts talking from
I'd rather
here.
be chilling with you right now.
So he looks up I have to match his eye point, okay? And I bring her here. Now you can see here that it's an overlap edit. Now I'm going to explain that in a while. In the next video, I'm going to talk about insert, override, and what is a 3-point editing. That's a fundamental of editing, okay? Anyway, so it's an overlap edit, which means I did not reduce anything. I did not cut anything, okay? I just follow the conversation.
Got some other stuff I gotta do.
All right? And then this is the key point. This is what really pisses her off in a way.
Besides you.
All right? Now, you may wonder that there must be audio associated with this clip itself, but I actually went to audio and brought the volume all the way down. Okay? So this video, this overlap, does not have any audio. All the audio you're hearing is from the clip underneath.
Got some other stuff I gotta do. Besides you. Yeah.
Okay, so I bought this point of her, okay, where she gets frustrated by that particular chat and she decides to leave. And here again, by the way, I inserted another shot. Okay, she's about to leave. She's getting ready to leave. But as she's getting ready to leave, he notices that she's leaving, right? Can you look at his eyes? Can you look at his eyes? Right? Just notice his eyes. All right? Right? All right. So I put another insert here. That's an additional clip on top while the duration remained the same. And here comes the first L cut and J cut. Okay, J cut and L cut. This is J, as you can see, the shape of J. The audio, okay, is of the girl zipping the bag.
Baby, I gotta call you back, right?
And then he's talking in the script itself. Baby, I'm gonna call you back.
I gotta call you back, right?
And I cut that audio because I want to cut to this video. All right. So if you look closer, it's a J and an L cut, which means you get to hear from this point. All right. And he's about to leave.
Hey, where you going?
All right. And
Where you going?
I already cut to this video. Already his audio is here. Okay. So this is a L cut. All right. And
I have better things to do than listen to
then
your booty
here's
calls.
her audio. Okay. Sorry. Again, I have to go back to fit. All right.
Hey, Mala.
And this is the point where I get to this shot, the 3 shot. Okay. And here, I mean, it's a little complicated, as you can see in the timeline itself. So this is Hey Mala. Okay. And then I need to obviously see her reaction. So I put her camera. Okay. This is her camera. And there's a smooth out because, I can't have it on cut.
Hey, Mala.
Oh, hey, Prasant.
All right. Hey, Prashant. And then I cut to him.
I was wondering if you're free afterwards. Do you maybe want to talk?
That is another insert. Okay, another insert where he's noticing that something is happening here. So I've done a lot of inserts here. And that is the next stage. After you do the lineup, do the L cut, J cut, you do the inserts. Okay?
Maybe want to talk organic chemistry.
All right, let's continue. And here comes another
I was actually
L
thinking
cut.
of switching out of the pre-med track, so,
So basically I want to catch his reaction. All right?
Really? Well, with how good your
So that's where the L cut comes, basically. I want to catch his reaction first before he talks.
midterm grades were, you should really consider it. Maybe do you want to talk over coffee?
And here comes his intersection. So I want him to get frustrated the moment he says coffee, and he interjects. All right.
Want to talk over coffee?
Hey, no.
And again, another insert. I show him getting surprised first. And you can see his head movement. This is his head. He's moving his head, and here it is. Maybe I have got a little more earlier. Maybe here. All right. So maybe I can cut a little closer. So I'm going to just bring it closer and bring it here. Let's see.
Hey, no booty.
All right.
Hey, no booty calls during
And her shock.
tutoring.
And this is another insert, by the way. Okay, another insert. And she turns her head here, and you can keep looking at her head. Okay, and it cuts here. It matches. All right.
I'll catch up with you later.
And I think from here, it's a different kind of edit altogether. All right?
Okay, well, I'm
It
here.
is now typical, short reverse shot.
On time. Where we starting at?
Your English grade is the most dire.
What I gotta do to get,
I do not cut back to him deliberately. Okay.
what I gotta do to get it up?
Stop talking like that, for one.
So every reaction I'm catching, as you can see. Okay, he's getting angry, frustrated. That's how the edit goes. And here's another insert. Okay,
Practice
she's
writing
talking.
and speaking in standard English. Your formal writing and speaking will also improve, no matter your community.
He's not talking. I just want to catch his reaction. So
Natural
there's another
dialect.
insert.
Talk with your buddies however you like, but with me,
And can you see there's no audio? I only bought the video. By the way, you can go to the if you go to the inspector and I double click something. Once you move your mouse here, you can either get both audio, only video, or audio. Or when you drag the whole window down, you get both audio and video. Okay, we're gonna talk more about it. I'm gonna show you 3-point edit and all of it. But yeah, just watch the edit. Let me go back to my inspector.
stick to standard English. But first things first. Got something for me?
Another insert. Okay, but here it is with the sound. Yeah, can you see the match cut?
You be in the family row, sitting next to my nana.
So here's another J cut, L cut in the same clip.
Family row, sitting next to my nana.
So you can see it's not a straightforward edit. There's a lot of complexity here you can add into your edit. Okay, another insert, and look at this match cut I tried. So she pulls out a bag, cut to the white shot. He picks up his bag, cut to him, picks up his bag, cut to the extreme white shot, where we can go to the next scene. All right, so that's basically my edit. Now I'm gonna go back to back to the beginning. I'm going to show you some of the most important fundamentals of editing that you can only learn and practice in the edit page. Let's go over to that video then.